So guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear beloved brother and sister. So as you can see, this is a airport area, and right now this is morning time. As you can see, today's sky very neat and clean, and today's air fully fresh and neat and clean. Okay. So actually, this is my favorite area because here fully natural area, like uh, village, village. Okay, village type. As you can see, here some trees like bananas and then brinjal. Okay, and everything. Okay, and here beside mango trees and others trees, as you can see. Okay, come to our main point. Actually, this is my Nuralam. This is Nuralam, and welcome back to my English habit. So today I will share you uh, don't afraid. This is a common uh, uh, common. Okay, so try every day I try video make and like a public place talking. Okay, so that's why I came here. You know, my brother and sister, actually I am a very beginner learner, so that's why I try every day practicing video make and like motivational type video make and blog type video make. Okay, okay, come to our main point. Actually, don't afraid. Okay, actually, first time, uh, just only 1 month ago, I could not something. Okay, I don't know how to make a video like a blog type video or like short sentence create, long sentence create. But right now I am here only just everyday practice. Okay, don't afraid, brother. Okay, right or wrong doesn't matter, but every day you try your best because you not try your English speaking or your English fluency not improvement. Okay, so that's why every day you learn, every day you something tell. Okay, like your room about, or like any object describe, and like any weather describe. Okay, right now I came here airport area, so that's why I can airport area describe. Okay, and some like I see airport, and here a huge building. Okay, and this is a very uh, nice see. Okay, so just every day any type or any object describe. Okay, so don't afraid, every day just practice because I believe it, practice makes a man perfect. So if you want to really learn English, or if you are a serious learner, so that's why no excuse, no compromise, every day just practice. No, don't afraid. Okay, because your speaking uh, improving day by day, only just one method, everyday speaking, or don't afraid, just tell. Okay, every time, every single time, only just English thinking, not Bengali, not mother tongue. But actually our educational system or our educational country, all everything Bengali. So that's why uh, uh, you first time try uh, English thinking, or any object thinking English. Okay, so yeah, I believe it. If you try your best, inshallah you will be a fluent speaker. So that's why uh, that these tricks very important. So I hope you learned something this video and enjoyed with me. So I want to just only one things: keep learning, keep practicing, everyday consistent, and never give up. Okay, so I hope you learning something. So see you soon next video. So tata, bye bye, Allah hafiz, assalamu alaikum.